I think I can see your house from here.
Kearney, Nebraska, the sandhill crane capital of the world. This centrally located town in the heartland is home to around 34,000 people, making it the state's 5th largest city. Is it just another old town, or a hidden gem in the Midwest? Find out with us as we dive into Waterpark madness, arcade thrills, iconic parks, exciting playgrounds, and of course, great food.
All right, everybody, who is ready for a Waterpark adventure? Woo! Let's go!
Packing up and hitting the road. What could be better? Kearney's location along I-80 between Omaha and Denver makes it an ideal stopover for travelers, both business and leisure, but it also makes for a great weekend getaway with kids.
All right, we made it to Kearney. First things first, I think we're all hungry. So we're gonna stop.
I'm starving.
We're gonna stop at a restaurant called the Lodge Restaurant. Yeah.
Kearney's oldest operating restaurant, The Lodge, opened in 1971 at the Western in Midtown. In 2024, after much controversy and angry locals, the property was sold and the restaurant was forced to find a new home. Now you can enjoy this family-owned comfort food staple of Kearney just south of I-80 on 2nd Ave. Yeah.
Maybe the short dude. See the green and blue water slide? Where? Which way is it? I see them. I see them. Yeah, I see them. Where we go.
Designed to meet the needs of business travelers and family-friendly fun, the Crowne Plaza opened its doors in 2022, featuring 172 rooms, an indoor water park, conference center, restaurant, coffee shop, boutique, and an arcade. This hotel is a blast.
I call that bed. We got another. I call this bed.
What? I don't know. Why do you want me to get my swimsuit on? What? What pool? Oh, there's my shoes. All right.
Get on!
Get them on.
Lack of complimentary breakfast and a higher price tag, the Crowne Plaza is not necessarily for the budget-conscious traveler. However, the water park alone does some heavy lifting. Equipped with 2 large water slides, 4 smaller ones, an oversized pool, and an oversized hot tub. The tricky part is getting the kids to leave.
I never want to leave.
Wesley convinced me to go down the big slides to go outside. They're pretty fun.
The water park is exclusive to hotel guests, and no standalone tickets are sold, but it is still generally busy on Friday and Saturday nights, so plan accordingly.
What's up? What are you doing? What should we get for breakfast?
Donut! Donut!
A welcoming small town spot where locals gather, Daylight Donuts has been serving handcrafted donuts right here for over 42 years. Oh, how is it?
Good.
Yeah.
No, we're at a bear claws.
All right, we just arrived to the Archway Museum in Kearney, Nebraska. We're just waiting for it to open here. As you can see, we are one of the first here. That's how we roll though.
Chronicling 180 years of travel along the Great Platte River Road, the Archway spanning I-80 provides visitors with an interactive, self-guided audio tour that actually held the kids' attention. Don't miss out. This place exceeded our expectations.
Stormy.
The Union Pacific Railroad reached this area in 1866 and established Kearney Station on the north side of the Platte River. This sparked settlement and growth. Today, Kearney sits on one of the busiest freight corridors in the U.S. Does that sound familiar?
We're going there.
Oh, yeah. You can also come over here and look out at the interstate. So in smaller towns and regions across Nebraska here, it's a tradition when you pass someone while driving to give them the finger wave. It's this. Been living in a big city too long. I almost forgot how to do the finger wave. I just got the finger wave in Kearney.
Known as the finest family park between Omaha and Denver, Yanney Heritage Park features walking trails, an amphitheater, a labyrinth, botanical gardens, a lake with fishing piers, and a marina with swan-shaped paddle boats. The park's centerpiece is the 80-foot observation tower, 120 stairs up.
We just hiked the stairs here on the tower at Yanney Park, and wow, what a view.
Everybody's so tiny. Yeah, everybody.
Kind of hard to see, but here from the tower, you can see our hotel is right there. Further on down is the arch. You can kind of see it glaring.
What I really liked about the tower was that the top was really cool and it was pretty fun going up and down.
Yanney Park features two different playgrounds. One is this pirate themed, and the other one, just another playground, has a smaller kids area. So that's pretty cool. It also features two different splash pad areas. So when the weather gets kind of hot here in Nebraska, this looks like a great place to cool down. Are we on a pirate ship?
Yes! Oh, stop on the world!
Poop break. For one of the kids, I mean. Max, what did we forget?
My wallet.
Oh my gosh. Where'd you leave it?
At the hotel.
Oh man, now what are we gonna do?
Go back?
No, we're gonna go have more fun.
No, go back.
Believe it or not, but Kearney once had a cotton mill, and the original purpose of Cottonmill Park was to provide water power for the old factory, which was located south of the park. Looks like there might be some good fishing spots down there, huh?
Yeah.
Conveniently located just outside of town on Highway 30, it is now a destination for recreation. We are continuing our adventure in Kearney here at Cottonmill Park. This is a beautiful park with a big lake, playgrounds, lots of places to stop and have a picnic. There's a disc golf course. Come check it out. Well, whenever there's a tire swing, we have to do it. What'd you guys think of Cottonmill? Crowne Plaza may not be the most budget-friendly hotel in the area. There are some things that you can do to make your trip a little bit more budget-friendly. That is what we are doing. Peanut butter and jelly for lunch. So we are now headed to meet some family at a tourist gem here in Kearney called Harmon Park. It has a rock garden, a pool, a playground, amphitheater. It's a cool place. Let's check it out. Tire swing. We gotta be in it. E-brake. Well, that was a blast catching up with family. Now it's time for dinner. What are we having? No matter what your budget or taste, Kearney has some great food for you. From Nebraska fast food classics like Runza and Amigos to unique family-owned treasures on the bricks downtown and beyond. Oh yeah, and don't forget the coffee. Housing a variety of attractions including bowling, mini golf, laser tag, go-karts, an indoor playground, and an arcade, the Big Apple Fun Center is just minutes away from many of the hotels in Kearney. While I could find no specific mention of when it opened, many locals remember going there as a kid. I should have known better, but I gave Leo and Max their own card, and they just spent a bunch of money in like 2 minutes while I was playing the pinball machine. Well, it's late. We're gonna get some sleep. Good night. Well, Mom Bros, our adventure in Kearney is coming to an end. Today is rainy, as opposed to yesterday, which was very sunny. So, you know, you take the ups and the downs, the highs and the lows. That's how these trips go sometimes. We're having fun. We hit the water park this morning. About to hit the road back home. You guys have fun?
Yeah!
Would you do it again?
Yeah!
All right. This is Cabela's in Kearney. This is where I used to come when I was a kid, before they started building the big Cabela's. This place was awesome for me, so it's cool that my kids get to see it now.
Long car rides, new destinations, kids being crazy at a water park, exploring the outdoors. These are the memories we hope to keep making. Subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting adventures. We post new videos every week.
If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button.
For more adventure videos, go to our YouTube channel, Bomb Bros Adventures, where you can follow along on our journey.
Thanks for watching! See you next time!